Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Facebook ad account easily from scratch. So first thing first, you log into your Facebook, then you go to you switch to your page account, all right? Your Facebook page account. On your Facebook page, you want to go to Meta Business Suite. Okay. Once you're on your business suite, what you want to do is you can either click on create ad right here, and then start your ad. As you can see, these are the examples of the ads, and you want to build your business. It will show you the examples of some of the ads that you're gonna see. Okay, so you can click on build a business. So right here it says add creative, so you can select add creative. You can use a post, or you can select medias. You can add new creatives to set up the ad, the headline, whatever you want. So the greetings of people that will see messages or message templates when they click on your ad, where you want people to message you. Next step from here, select category, audience. So you can change the audience details and everything right here, and once you're done editing, then you can publish your ads down here. All right, so that is one option. So another option is for you to click on this button and click on settings. Click on set. You should be on this page, and right here you can see add accounts. So you click on add accounts. All right, so for you, if you're never added an ad account before, you should have a notification right here that says create an ad account. But if you've added an ad account before, you have one like this, all you have to do is click on add. All right, so right here you can create an ad account, or claim an existing ad account, or request to share an ad account with an agency. Okay, so once you've created your ad account, it will show up right here. So you're gonna click on open in ads manager to make settings on your ad account. All right, so right here, this is where you create and set up your ad, right? So it's pretty easy and straightforward. So to add a bill payment to your ad account, you just come to this ads manager right here and you click on bills and payment. So right here it says payment method. All right, so here you can add payment method. So I've made a video on how to add the payment method in my videos, so make sure to check that out, and all you have to do is just add your payment method, save it up. So this is the easiest way to create an ad account on Facebook. If you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.